These days, I often hear people say they feel more tired than usual. Maybe it's the weather, maybe it's the stress, or maybe our food simply isn't as pure as it used to be. We rush through meals, sleep less, and rarely give our bodies time to rest or cleanse. Over time, those habits cause toxins to build up in our bloodstream, slow down digestion, and weaken our immune system. So today, I want to share something simple, a natural way to warm your body from the inside out, cleanse your blood, and bring back balance. It's called honey ginger infusion. For this recipe, I'm using 200 grams of fresh ginger and 200 milliliters of pure honey. Just two simple ingredients. Yet together, they create a gentle, healing drink that's both delicious and deeply nourishing. First, rinse the bowl with clean water, then pour the water out. Next, I add the ginger I've prepared, rinse it under cool water, and wash it thoroughly, making sure to remove all the dirt and residue. I use a gentle stream of water to clean between the crevices of the roots. And for any tight spots, I break them slightly apart to get in there and wash more careful. Ginger contains two powerful compounds, gingerol and shogal. Gingerol helps fight inflammation, kills harmful bacteria, and soothes nausea, while shogal improves blood circulation and keeps the body warm. Honey, on the other hand, is nature's golden gift. Rich in antioxidants, natural enzymes, and minerals, it helps soothe sore throats, boost immunity, and support digestion by nourishing the good bacteria in our gut. Honey also helps reduce stress, promote better sleep, and gives a natural source of energy without the crash. When ginger and honey come together, they create a natural remedy that warms the body, cleanses the blood, boosts circulation, and strengthens immunity. A simple combination, yet one that carries powerful healing benefits for both body and mind. I rinse it several times until the water runs clear. Washing the ginger this thoroughly not only keeps it pure and fresh, but also feels like a small way of cleansing yourself. Slow, mindful, and absolutely worth it. Then, soak the ginger for about 5 minutes to let any hidden residue float away. While the ginger soaks, I prepare a clean glass jar. Rinse it with regular water. Make sure to clean it well, inside and out. Then pour in boiling water to sterilize it completely. Finally, use tongs to remove the jar and let it air dry. This extra step helps prevent fermentation and keeps your honey ginger mixture fresh for months. Once the ginger is clean, I trim off the tough roots and any dry ends of the ginger. This helps remove all the dirt and that sharp, earthy taste from the skin, while keeping the most fragrant part of the ginger, the tender flesh just beneath it. Then I take the ginger out and rinse it thoroughly again with clean water. First, I give the ginger a light rinse to wash away any dirt and dry bits. Then, I use my hands to scrub each piece more carefully, making sure no dust or soil is left in the tiny crevices. I've always loved little moments like this in the kitchen. Slow, careful, yet so peaceful. Cleaning thoroughly isn't just about keeping the ginger pure. It's also a gentle reminder to slow down, to let everything feel fresh and calm right from the start. Finally, I let the water run softly over the ginger, listening to the quiet trickle as it flows. A simple, soothing sound, like a moment of calm after a long day. I start by setting up a simple steaming pot, then spread the prepared ginger evenly over the steaming rack. And then, I steam the ginger for about 5 minutes. Steaming helps soften the fibers inside the ginger, and it activates gingerol and shogal, allowing them to mix more easily with the honey later. It's like waking up the healing properties hidden inside the root. Now I start slicing the ginger into thin pieces. Each delicate slice carries that sharp, spicy aroma, but beneath it is a subtle natural sweetness that feels surprisingly soothing. The more I cut, the stronger the scent becomes. Warm, slightly spicy, filling the kitchen with its cozy fragrance. I love moments like this. Just the knife, the cutting board, and the earthy scent of fresh ginger. It's such a calm, grounding feeling. Next, I stack the slices together and cut them into fine strips. When the ginger is sliced this way, it absorbs the honey more easily, letting the flavors blend gently and evenly when made into a drink. After that, I chop the strips into smaller pieces. This helps the ginger soak up the honey even better and allows its essence to infuse more deeply during the process. Working slowly with your hands like this, you start to realize the kitchen isn't just a place to cook. It's a space to find your own quiet, peaceful rhythm. And here it is, the very last slice of ginger. Each tiny piece may seem small on its own, but together, they fill the whole jar with a warm, golden energy. I've prepared a clean glass jar, completely dry and ready to use. Then, I gently place the ginger inside, arranging it evenly. It already looks so beautiful just sitting there. Next, I pour in the first layer of honey. The thick, golden stream flows slowly and softly. Like morning sunlight, just watching it feels so calming. Once the first layer has settled, I pour in a second round, letting the honey coat the remaining ginger completely. At this point, the scent of honey and ginger begins to blend. Sweet, gentle, and wonderfully soothing. Using a pair of chopsticks, I press down lightly, so the honey seeps deeper in and no air bubbles remain. Each time I press, the ginger slices sink slowly into the golden honey. I drizzle in a little more to fully cover the top, and now the jar glows with a warm amber color. This time, I press down one last time, to make sure there's no air left between the slices. Finally, I close the lid carefully, sealing in all that warmth and goodness. Every morning, just mix a spoonful of ginger honey with warm water, and you'll have a drink that helps cleanse your body, purify your blood, and keep you warm all day long. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you found this recipe helpful, leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear where you're watching from. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, healthy recipes every week. A small action from you means a big motivation for me to keep creating. See you again right here in my little kitchen, where every recipe begins with something simple.